Let's give a round of applause to Cassie Carballo and her squad. And
Carballo with a
there you go.
Yun.
Ang height. Ayun na. Ayan, tinimpla niya ng saktong-sakto for Blessing.
Para sabi, ulitin nga natin. USC. Still close.
Wow! Set up by Carballo. Tingnan mo to. Tsaka pinadaan niya dun sa kay Puzon, who was the smaller blocker.
Tagaod. She's already back. Blessing. Yes. Yarina.
Wala pa masyadong puntos for the wing spikers.
We saw that on our Contigo score. Empanagua. Combination play. Oh, Jonah perdido. Bentang-benta. May ace, may tatlong attack points. Panagua. Sometimes the Carballo to put it in play. Not a good reception for Petalio. That's an ace for Casla Loresco. Quick play for Pia Abu.
That moment since she entered the court at ayan na.
Players again for UST. Pia Abu on that attack was solid. Go back to Perdido. Marga Encarnacion got there. Jers Petalio. Miranda, Petalio again. Cassie. Hoyos! That is the attack of the set. Jiangnan hot pot attack. Hot pot ba?
Ngayon, we had to have a very good supporting role for our seniors.
Oh my goodness!
That was Poyos.
That was the Jiangnan hot pot attack. Hot pot ba? Attack na sa Jiangnan.
Tara.
Running attack. Barbora again!
In front for FEU. We all know she's been contributing to the points.
Sabi ni Cassie Palino.
UST women's volleyball team.
Angge Poyos off the block. Longo. Off the block. Look at the speeds of action right there. Combination. Oh, it's an ace for UST.
UST.
And then another ace by UST. Hindi yung UP nalilito eh. Let's see here, it's a ball. Something has got to happen here.
By the UST team.
Outclassed. Jiangnan attack the set. Hot pot ba? Attack na.
Move by Celis.
Oh, wow! Oh, iba yung makauna ka na kaagad eh.
Oo. Oh, wow. That was a really good serve.
Technical timeout here in the opening set of this Game 1 semis between these two teams. Angge Poyos trying to recover.
Offense, matinik ang kanilang defense. Look at that, Carballo. But Benilde was there for that.
Carballo. Ball still in play. Unbelievable. Go. The drop. Good dig right there by Jurado. Ball still up. Carballo. Oh, let's be quick about this one.
That was a good first ball from Poyos. Kaya tinaas lang halos eh yung kamay. That's why the middle was actually
Serving. Trying to create a bigger and a wider gap. The separation between these two teams. Aussies! Kanina.
I mean, look at this. It's so perfect for Aussies. Stop, give that ball to your setter like that, and then set up your hitters.
Did seeing the dig by Poyos.
Oh
A
my
1-2
goodness.
play as it turned out. Hindi siya ready sa play na yun.
Nagulat ako kasi parang napako lahat ng player.
We're all deadlocked. 6. And an ace naman para sa UST. And usually at this point, most... Oh, 1-2.
Very snappy.
Pero they have this 3-point advantage here. And Balyo again with that set. UST will get the point. They have this 3-point lead. As
Good up.
Red Chorado, good dig right there. Para sa FEU, was Encarnacion. Oh, got the line. Persistence for FEU. Then the joust. Two. Cassie.
Wow.
Abu delivered. Tingnan natin, are we in for this round once again?
Yan, that sequence.
14-12. Oh, Cassie Carvalho ng bulan. Of the National University. Running attack for Altea. Something new. Lopez gives up the sky ball. They'll go back to Altea on the run once again. Ubaldo, combination, Petalio. Sabi ni Altea, dito ako si Carvalho.
But Altea's block
Is the block of the set. Actually, it's that Carvalho.
Si Carvalho. They need the same intensity.
Isa lang daw. Isa lang daw ang kailangan ni Carvalho. As she serves it on this service ace by the center, Cassie Carvalho.
If she loses her focus, everybody follows.
Oh, wow. How about that slam dunk galing kay Cassie Carvalho? Petalio. Who does Carvalho go to? She goes to Pia Abu.